Hi guys, this is Zed from Slickieslaces. So I'll be teaching you how to install this removable tips that we have just launched onto your shoelaces. So the first thing is that you may have to trim the length of your plastic aglets to fit our removable tips. When you cut, you have to ensure that the bottom of the plastic lace tips should be above the hole here. I mean here, yes. So just push it in. Use your screwdriver to push the aglets all the way in. You must ensure that you do not see any plastic aglets through this hole. Just keep on pushing it in. So once that is done, just take a screw, fix it on here, and just screw it in. And you're done. After you have done so, do not force it open no matter what. You will ruin the screw and you may not be able to use it ever again. So yes, thank you.